well. I actually have another number 2 tip. You can use the same tip, just clean it out. But I happen to have 2 number 2s, so I can film both at the same time. Oops, if I can get this on. Okay. And then this is some black that I colored a little earlier. And again, this will get darker as it sits. Oh, that just came off, didn't it? Okay. Try and get this coupler back on. Let's rip that off. Okay. Now, what I want to do is put my cake together and start decorating it. A lot of times you will decorate a cake and then put it together. I'm not going to do that in this case just because of the way I'm doing the design. I suppose you could if your heart is really desires that, but I'm going to go ahead and put this on. This is a 6-inch square and it's on a cardboard that is the same size as my cake underneath it. So I'm going to go get the rest of my cake. This is just a 14-inch board with a 12-inch and a 9-inch square that I've already frosted in buttercream. I've got the dowels in it, or however you support your cakes. You do want to make sure that you already know how to support a cake before you put this together. You need to learn how to do that. Okay. The buttercream on the top of this cake has crusted, so I'm going to put a little fresh buttercream on here so that it'll help the cardboard stick. A lot of people, they don't do that because they think the buttercream is going to, the board underneath is going to pull the buttercream off the top tier. I don't have a problem with that. Maybe it's because it's crusts, I don't know. But you want to use your spatula to help put this down. This is why I don't decorate it. This particular one, I don't want to ruin my design. Okay, what's left is just to use a little bit of buttercream, get the excess off my hand, to hide the join there. Just a little bit. Normally I use a small spatula. And I'll smooth that out with the paper towel once that crusts. Like I said, I'll smooth that. I have another spatula. Just use a smaller spatula, and like I said, we'll just smooth it. Okay, this feels like this is crusted, so we're going to go ahead and put our paper towel on it and just smooth it. I can actually smooth the crease down below. I think we got that pretty smooth. Smooth enough.